What's up, guys? Welcome to MyHeaven channel. This is Dennis. Today we're looking at this massive house, 3,400 square feet, and it could be converted to have 7 bedrooms. It's insane. There's a 3-car garage. I mean, it's like a tandem 3-car garage. And these are built by Warmington Residential, so it's a really high-quality builder. Let's take a look. This home is so it's 3,400 square feet, and all of the bedrooms are very big size. It's impressive. Like every single bedroom is big, which is very rare. You know, it's pretty rare to see big bedrooms everywhere. It has a great room and a nook and dining. So here's a bedroom downstairs. I mean, it has a sliding small closet, but this is probably the smallest bedroom out of all of these in this house, but it's still a large bedroom. It's pretty nice. Okay, let's take a look. So we have a shower. It's very convenient. You have basically a bathroom right next to the bedroom downstairs. So if you have guests staying over, or if you use it as an office, it's very convenient. And these are pretty high quality cabinets. I like this flooring a lot. These new modern tiles. They look so much better than the old school, like those red, the square tiles. So here's like a little dining area. And then you have your garage over here, 3-car garage tandem. It's nice. You put your clothes, your kids can leave their backpacks, skateboards and stuff, and then this an extra storage area. So it's pretty well thought out. It's definitely pretty convenient. So let's see. You even have a little space here for either a small table with a laptop or just decoration. So you can see it's a pretty good space. It's like formal dining, but still, you can still get a pretty good view at the, it's a modern staircase, and you get, the view of the living room. Kitchen has a huge island. So yeah, you can definitely tell the difference between these bigger homes. When you get over 3,000 square feet, it just feels very spacious, and there's just plenty of space everywhere. Like nothing feels tight, crammed. Like a lot of smaller homes do. Yeah, so it's pretty nice. Backyard is a good size too. Let's see. Yeah, so here's your TV area. Oh, you have a fireplace too. I didn't notice that. That's pretty cool. Here's your fireplace. You have 2 windows. These pretty cool sliding doors. I think these sliding doors actually slide all the way down, so you can remove. You can have this giant opening to go outside. Oh yeah, this backyard's pretty large. Let me see if I can go outside so you can see. This is a very practical home, very convenient, very comfortable. It feels homey. Like the model feels pretty homey. So let's see. Yeah, see, it's a good sized backyard. I mean, obviously it's not enormous, but it's pretty good size, and you even get a little side yard. The gate right there. Yeah, I think this house starts from $370,000. It's very reasonable for 3,400 square foot house. Yeah, and it has tall ceilings, first and second floors. It's also a huge plus. I think they're 9 feet in both floors. Okay, so I'm gonna go upstairs. Let's check out. So here's the dining area again. Like I said, I really like this house. It feels pretty homey and very spacious. Just well designed in terms of like practicality. And this is really cool, like these modern railings, the staircase. So you basically come into a big loft, so that's also a very good design flow. So basically, you have a loft between, the bedrooms on the right side and the master bedroom, which is on the left side. So let me show you the master bedroom first. You get storage cabinets. That's really nice. This is a very large master bedroom. I mean, if I were to guess, I think it's about 20 feet by 20 feet. Something in that area. And you get this another like sitting area here where you have, obviously this one has built-in shelves and a TV, but you can also use it, if you have kids or a baby. I mean, it's perfect. It's already huge, like the bedroom is already huge, plus you get this extra space basically attached to the bedroom. So that's super nice. Also, they actually put real blinds everywhere, because a lot of the models, they don't. Maybe they put a blind on one window, but this one actually has blinds, custom blinds everywhere, so that's a huge plus. So you can see they have a mirror here and a couch and a bed, and you still get, look how much space you still have. I mean, that's insane. Wow, look at this bathroom. I mean, that's massive, just huge. There's no tub for some reason, but I'm sure it's an option. You have like double showers over here, and so here's your toilet, and then you get 2 sinks with water cabinets, mirrors. But you have to see this closet. I mean, this closet is like, I mean, it's enormous. It's like a whole room. Look at how big this closet is. I mean, that is unreal. Honestly, I don't think I've seen a closet this big anywhere.